Hello everybody. Today I'm going to use this USB 3.1 adapter to turn a 2.5 inch SSD into a very fast external hard drive. First step, let's get this package open. Inside the box you'll find the adapter with USB cable already attached, a USB-C adapter, and an extended warranty card and instruction booklet. I don't need either of those two things, so let's get rid of them. Alright, what you do next is take your 2.5 inch serial ATA drive or SSD and simply connect it to the adapter. If you need USB-C instead of USB 3.1, simply attach the adapter that is supplied. On the left hand side of the screen you'll see crystal disk mark scores for when this SSD was internally mounted to serial ATA III. On the right hand side of the screen, the same SSD with an external USB 3.1 connection. The reading and writing scores for sequential were very similar. The random read and write scores did suffer a bit, but they're still very fast for an external drive. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to take advantage of a spare hard drive or SSD, then this just might be what you're looking for. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day.